Good morning, students. In this video, I just want to demonstrate how to enter values into your table from the GUI interface of a Workbench. Yes, I know you can use insert statement to enter value into your database tables, but there are other easy ways in case you can't remember your codes. The Workbench gives you easy ways to actually do some of the terms or tasks you normally do with codes. For instance, let's create a table. On this my trial DB schema, I want to create a table. Normally you say create table, this. Yeah, you can as well do that by GUI interface. So I'll say create table. I can say create table, like if you have an existing table type that maybe you want it to be like, you can do that, but say create table. Beautiful. I want to create that table we did the other time. I just want to call it Oga. I want to call this table Oga table. Table name Oga table. Oga table. Call it Oga table. Alright? The schema is there. The schema is on TrialDB. Then, just like we did when we were designing the ERD entity relationship diagram, we can also enter columns and their type, their names, the name of the column, the data type, and all that constraints. So maybe the first thing I want to do is the Oga ID. Oga ID, I'm going to let it to be int and auto incremented. Then, okay, auto incremented. Then after that, the next item, name, varchar 45, not null. The next one, Oga address, maybe varchar 100. Okay, it's not going to be null. Then the next one, Oga date of birth, DOB is going to be date data type, DOB date data type. Okay, then it's not going to be null. And the last one, I may just put Oga gender of the Oga is either going to be enum, so it will be just male or female. Enum is either is a male, comma, female, all in quotation. I think I'm done with that. When you are done with your fields, you will go down and say apply. If you go down, you see apply. So when you click apply, you will see the code for this creation of this table. Just look at it. Go create table, trialdb.oga table, this one, Oga. Okay, see now, I made mistake. Instead of Oga ID, I wrote Oga ID. Let me cancel and go and correct that. Oga ID. Alright, I haven't done that. I'll apply now. Okay, Oga ID, int, not null, auto increment, name, varchar 45, not null, address, varchar 100, not null, date of birth, date, not null, gender, enum, not null. Okay, let me also, I saw that the gender, I didn't accept it to be not null. Let me cancel it and go back and put not null for gender. Gender, not null. Okay, I'll apply again. So sometimes if you read your code, you may be able to see some things that are not there. So now that I'm okay with the creation statement, I'll say apply, finish. Beautiful. When I go to my schema, you will see that the Oga table is now there. Oga table is there. If you open it, you will see all the columns. Oga ID is it. Then now, actually, to the main business, how do I now populate this table without writing SQL code directly? I'll right click, select rows limit 1000. Of course, this was supposed to show me the records in this table, but now there is no table, there is no record. So if you look down, you will see that there is no record. But now I can begin to enter where you see none under Oga ID is auto increment. I will not enter value there, but Oga name, I will double click there. I will enter Oga ID, Oga name, maybe John Mark is Oga ID. Then move to the next one, address 23 Ikbea Street, Ekpoma. Then date of birth, yes, date of birth, you have to be very careful. The format is the year first, 2025 hyphen the month 303, the day 11, the year, the month, the day. That's the sequence. Then the gender is male. Then I'll go back. The next one, I'll double click it. Maybe Ada Kennedy or Ada Okeke. Ada Okeke. That's the name. Ada Okeke. Then the address is 12 Oluoma Street, Oka. Date of birth. Oh, even the first person, I was given a wrong date of birth. I was in 2025. Okay, I'll correct that. Date of birth, maybe 1993 August, which is 08, maybe 23rd August. She's a female. So let me go and correct the date of birth for the first one. So maybe instead of 2025, maybe this person was born in 2000. Can expand the fields in case you are not seeing it very well. You can drag it and expand it so it can accommodate what you are doing. Alright, you can expand it. So now that I've just entered two records, I will now apply. If you observe, the Oga ID is not showing yet. The reason why the Oga ID is not showing is because I have not run this code. Before this code can work, I will have to apply. So I will click apply. Apply. You'll see the code for it. Now insert into TrialDB the name, their values, see their values, you know how we do it that time with code. So I will say apply, finish. If you look now, you see that the Oga ID is 1, for John Mark is 2, for Adokeke. So by so doing now, I have inserted these two records into my Oga table, so that when I run this code again, it will show the two records. So this is how to insert. You can do other things. If you just right click, you will see other options of things you can do. You can drop table, you can alter table, and all that. But today, all I wanted to show us is how to insert records into table without writing SQL. Thank you so much. My name is Ifeanyichukwu Anyora. If you like this video, just like it, thumb by thumb up, and then I will also appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. God bless you.